Hello everyone. This is the part for MacBook SailPoint Identity IQ installation. So I have already provided you the access related to SailPoint Bootcamp. Just download this MacBook SailPoint installation. So on this installation, there are three subfolders. One contains the software for MacBook. The other contains the JDBC SQL command. And this installation video will include all the installation videos for MacBook. So first of all, let's go into the software for MacBook. So this is the Apache TomCat server software. This is database visualization. Eclipse will be the ID we're gonna use, and encrypted SailPoint IIQ password is a file, the content of which will be the encrypted password for SAILPOINT IIQ, which will be used as the password for the root account for MySQL server software. And then I have the Identity IQ 8.2 zip. I have the MySQL server software, and I have the MySQL server software. So there are two kinds of MySQL server, one for MacBook with ARM processor, and the other one is with MacBook with Intel processor. So depending upon the chipset you have, install any one of these. And then we have MySQL Workbench commentary software, and I have the Sublime text editor. It is an alternate to Notepad++ that we have for Windows machine. So I have just downloaded this micro MacBook SailPoint installation folder on my MacBook, and this will be a zip file. So unzip it, and once you open it, you will have all the contents that you just saw in the drive. So click on software for MacBook. So whatever the software you see, these are all the same that I have from this drive. So just try to begin the installation with Apache TomCat server. So double click on this Apache TomCat, go in here, and this is how your Apache TomCat server folder looks once you have double click on the tar.z file. So this the web apps folder will be used, and the important files that we need to have in order to run the application server will include startup.sh and shutdown.sh. So the startup.sh and shutdown.sh, these are the two main files that we're gonna use in order to run the TomCat. So go into your search icon, click on terminal, and then from here we have to navigate into the download folder where we have the Apache TomCat. So just type the command pwd. So this signifies on which working directory you are right now. Type in ls. So this ls will list all the folder that you have on your machine. So right now my files are on download. So type the command cd space downloads, click, type ls, enter. So I have to go into the MacBook SailPoint installation, type cd command followed by MacBook, click on enter, and type in ls. And then we have to move into Mac software for MacBook, type cd space software, hit enter, type ls, and then we have to go into this apache.tomcat folder. So type cd space apache, click on tab, and then enter, click on ls, and then we have to go into the bin folder of this Apache TomCat. So type cd space bin folder, type ls. Now in order to run the Apache TomCat server, click on the command startup.sh. So startup.sh and shutdown.sh are the shell commands which we have to run. So in order to run the files that ends with .sh extension, just type a period followed by forward slash and type in the file name, which is start upup.sh and click enter. So what happens after executing .startup.sh is that it starts the TomCat. So our TomCat server is started. So click on any of your browser, click on a new tab, type in localhost colon 8080, click on enter. If you get a welcome page like this, it means your Apache Tomcat is complete. So this is our first installation video where we downloaded all the softwares from the drive, and then we unzipped the software collection, and from this MacBook installation folder we went inside this software for MacBook, and then double click on this star.gz Apache Tomcat folder. So it got extracted into this folder, and inside this Apache Tomcat bin folder is the important folder where it contains the shell command that ends with .sh extension. So the two shell command files that are important to run and stop the Tomcat server is startup.sh and shutdown.sh. So in order to run this command, you have to go into this search icon, and from here you have to type in terminal, and then you have to use the commands which I just typed in. So in this way you will be able to start the Tomcat. So right now the Tomcat is up and running, and if I want to stop this Tomcat instance, then in this terminal I have to run the command shutdown.sh. So in order to run the shell command or execute the shell command, just type in // and shutdown.sh and click enter and click allow, and then it will stop your Tomcat. If you just refresh it, the Tomcat is now stopped. And if you again want to run the Tomcat, just type in // and type startup.sh and click enter, and it will again start the Tomcat. So just refresh this page, you will get the welcome page, which means your application server is installed. So that's all the content on this video about downloading, installing the Tomcat and stopping the Tomcat. Thank you.